Hello FutureMakers, welcome to TeacherPreneur. Teaching is 1/4 preparation and 3/4 theatre. We all had so many teachers during our academic life to teach us, but we remember one or two of our favorite teachers forever. If you want to become that teacher for your kids, in today's video, we are going to discuss the top qualities that every teacher must have. These are the qualities that make a good teacher a great teacher. The last quality is my utmost favorite and the most important quality. So make sure you watch the video till the end to know which one is that. And then without wasting any more time, let's get started. The number one quality that the teachers of 21st century need is to be amicable and approachable. Gone are those days जब टीचर से डर लगता था और टीचर के मार से हम कुछ भी करने को रेडी हो जाते थे. These days, students want a teacher whom they can count on for guidance and who can act as their friend and a philosopher and guide. So as a teacher, you need to know how to make your students be comfortable with you and also draw boundaries at the same time to maintain the discipline of the class. The second quality that teachers must have is the knowledge of the subject matter. No matter what, the crux of the education system is knowledge. If you know your subject well, you should know the nitties and gritties of every topic that you are teaching so that you are in that position where you can clear all the doubts of your students and your students understand that you are very smart and you have all the knowledge that they need to learn from you. And you should be the teacher, the giver of that knowledge, and they should be the receiver of that knowledge, and this will make the teaching learning process simpler. The third quality that every teacher must have is classroom management skills. Every day will be a new battlefield in the class. Someone rightly said that teaching is like dealing with so many live wires and still keeping them grounded. That is the case of students of today, and as a teacher, classroom management is one thing that you should absolutely ace. To help you with classroom management strategies, we have a full-blown playlist which will help you in managing your students and coming out as a great teacher. The next quality of a great teacher is how engaging her class is. Teaching is not just about coming in the class, delivering what is in your head and going out. Teaching is much more than that. Students of today are very restless. Their attention span is very less. So you need to keep your class so engaging that the students want to know what is coming next and what new are you bringing to the table. Another quality that all teachers must have is to be a lifelong learner. Once you become a teacher, you are going to be teaching for so many years to come. With each new batch will come new challenges and new things to learn. If you do not learn and keep yourself updated with this generation, then you will be left behind and they will go ahead. So as a teacher, you need to keep up with what are the new things that are coming around you and be a learner. The next thing that the teachers must work on is application-based teaching. Previously, academics was just seen as a pathway to get more marks. Kya grade aaya, kitna result aaya, kitna percent aaya was the focus. But these days, students are a bit different. They want to know where they can apply the knowledge that you're giving it to them. So you don't just have to teach the concept, you also have to tell them where this concept is used in real life. And if you can connect the learning with the real life situation, it will be much better for the students to grasp and they will take more interest in your teaching. One thing that we teachers need to focus on is to put students' needs first. एक जमाना था जब गुरु का दर्जा सबसे ऊपर होता था. Now, as a teacher, we need to have child-centric approach to our teaching. We have to understand how much previous knowledge does the child have, how much he can retain, what is the kind of learning pattern. Is he a visual learner? Is he an auditory learner? Is he having a multisensory approach? You have to know all of these things while maintaining and planning a lesson. Sometimes playway method is the way to do. Sometimes chalk and talk is the way to do. So you have to gauge the students' needs and their moods and temperaments to understand what will work on that particular day for that topic. One more additional qualities that will make you a great teacher is to be open to change. Things might not always go according to the plan. Sometimes you have to change the strategy on the spot spot. Sometimes you have to change the methodology of teaching. Sometimes you have to change the approach to that topic. So as a teacher, changes are constant and they will always remain in our field. Now we have so many apps and technological advances that makes it easy for us teachers. And to top it all, these days we have AI for teachers. So with changing times, we will have more challenges, and as a teacher, we have to be open to accept change. If it is for our better, then change is the way to go. The skill number 9 that I think all teachers must have is a passion for teaching. Understand that there are many teachers who have become teachers by chance, but you should be a teacher by choice. Teaching should actually come from within. It should be something that you love. The more you love what you do, the better you are at it. So if you are a teacher by choice, then please make sure you comment down below. I am a proud future maker by choice. And I'll be happy to read your comments that the purpose of creating this channel, TeacherPreneur, was to have more future makers by choice. And if I can get at least 20 such comments, I'll be more than happy. The last but one of my favorite thing that every teacher must understand is that do not copy anybody's teaching style and create your own individualistic teaching style. Every person has their own strengths and weaknesses. Understand your strengths and how you can perform the best in front of your students. Observe other teachers and take out their best parts, but do not be like them. Be your own original self and ace your class. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching the whole video. At the end, I would only like to tell you that those who know, do, but those who understand, teach. Being a teacher is one of the greatest privilege on this earth. I stand by this and I hope you do too. If you like today's video, do hit the like button. Comment and tell us if you're a teacher by choice or a teacher by chance. Share this video with your teacher friends and family and subscribe to TeacherPreneur and press that bell icon to be a part of our Future Makers family. See you soon.